Hello everyone, this video will show you how to assemble your brand new Upland MTB bike. Within the box you should find the pedals, the front quick release, the seat post and seat assemble, the handlebar and one tire. Also, you will need basic tools like hex key, a number 15 wrench and the air pump. When assembling your bicycle, you should start with the installation of the stem and the handlebar. These two parts are going to be hanging next to the main frame of the bicycle when you take it out from the box. You should use a number 5 hex key to tighten all the bolts in that area, and please do not forget to tighten them very well in order to avoid any accidents in the future. Our next step will be to install the pedals. Please remember that the pedals will be separated from the bicycle main frame when you take it out from the box, and you should use a number 15 wrench for the installation. Please notice that on the head of the pedal nut you will see a letter R for the right pedal and a letter L for the left side pedal. Both of them get tightened by twisting the nut to the front of the bike. The next step will be to install the quick release into the tire's hub. For the installation, you have to take out the nut from the quick release and put it together within the hub. After the installation of the quick release, you should continue with the installation of the whole tire into the fork. This is a very important step during the installation because you need to be careful that the tire is in the exact middle of the fork in order to avoid any friction with the bike's structure. Please be careful and remember that this brake has to be located on the left side of the bike. Make sure that the tire spins smoothly. The last step is to install the seat post and the seat. Here, you need to adjust the seat height and make it match your hip. Then, tighten the clamp for safety. Before you start using the bicycle, please remember to check the tire's air pressure. It is very important just to put the correct amount of air. Otherwise, you may have an accident. Finally, check that everything is correctly tightened and try the brake to ensure your safety and others. Enjoy your ride! Follow us on Instagram and YouTube for more videos like this.